Hello, and welcome to another episode of Trybrary, where we try things at the library. I'm Matthew. I'm the host of this episode, and we will be giving Miss Jessie and Miss Anna several different flavors of Kit Kat to try today. We have 5 flavors from Japan that I have sorted into different bags for Miss Jessie and Miss Anna, respectively. They are soybean flavor, sake flavor, wasabi, and they have both light and dark matcha. And that's these 5 flavors here. So they can look forward to that. It's going to be quite an experience.
Welcome. Well, we guess Japanese Kit Kat. We have 5 flavors. We have pink, tan, medium green, light green, and dark green. We're going to start with the pink one.
All right, initial reactions. What do you think the flavor would be of a pink Japanese Kit Kat?
I would think strawberry, but it doesn't smell like strawberry.
Smells like soap.
It does smell like soap.
It smells very strongly of soap, like the little soaps that come in different designs, like seashells in a bathroom.
I agree. Do you think strawberry can be soap?
What
Okay.
about cherry blossom?
That's what I think it is.
Ready?
It kind of tastes like strawberry, though.
It's a very strong flavor. I was not expecting how much flavor is in it.
Okay, I know what I'm going with. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3. Cherry.
Cherry.
I think it tastes like cherry.
It tastes very much like cherry. It's very sweet and light.
So that is sake flavored Kit Kat.
Oh.
Really?
Uh-huh.
It doesn't taste like soap, which is a good thing. Like, it actually was pretty good.
No, that's good.
I liked that one.
All right.
That's okay.
Okay. Next, we have tan.
Beige.
Cream. All the colors of this.
All the colors of this. A spectrum of bland.
This one has a pretty strong smell also.
It smells like coffee.
A little. I was going to say like brown
Caramel?
sugar. Caramel, maybe? That would be a coffee sugar flavor.
Don't stick it up your nose.
What do I want? All right, you ready to try it?
Yeah.
It tastes like those like wafer cookies.
Yes, it tastes exactly like those wafer cookies. Like one of those orange wafers.
Mm-hmm.
I guess they make them in vanilla too.
Make them in vanilla, chocolate, strawberry.
Mm.
All right.
Vanilla wafer flavor?
You ready to guess? 3.
Just did, but okay.
Vanilla. Yeah.
Vanilla.
So that is soybean flavor Kit Kats.
Well, I like
Sure.
soybean. We're not very good at this. I feel like we're also trying to guess flavors that we think like we would normally see, which soybean and sake are definitely not ones we would see. So I feel like that's why we're going with like flavors that are more American.
We need to get our minds in Japan.
All right.
Are you
We're
in
there.
Japan?
I'm in Japan.
Okay.
This one matches your shirt. Are you ready for the medium green one? It really does match your shirt.
I hope it doesn't taste like a shirt.
I don't want to eat this one.
I can't smell it.
I can.
What do you smell?
I'm not telling you.
I feel like I'm gonna have to stick it up my nose to smell it. Did you taste it?
Yeah.
Seaweed. Ugh.
I don't think it's seaweed.
Well,
No, I know what it is, I think.
oh, is it?
I'm ready.
Okay.
So now that you said seaweed, I can't get the seaweed flavor out of my head. Oh man, if it's seaweed, I'm gonna be sad. Are you ready?
I'm gonna guess something else though. Yes, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1. Green tea.
Matcha. Oh,
Matcha's good. I think it's matcha.
green tea is also a good guess. What is it, Mr. Matthew?
That was the light green, right?
No, it's the
Medium.
medium green.
Yeah, that is light matcha.
Also tastes like seaweed.
Now that you said matcha, like as soon as you said, I'm like that 100% is the flavor. But okay,
All right,
ready.
now with the light pink one, or the light pink, light green,
This is green.
green.
I hope it's a good flavor. I don't smell anything on this one.
I also don't smell anything on this one.
Okay.
The green ones don't have any smell.
What?
It was nice at first and then it got weird.
It tastes like an onion.
It just tastes like an onion.
I don't understand.
Could it be sour cream and onion? Kit Kat, that's gross.
But green? Like I like onion. It just was unexpected from a Kit Kat.
I've got to guess.
Oh no, I have no
I'm
idea.
pretty sure. I'm pretty sure it's wrong, but I'm thinking of one of my favorite animes. Since you said onion.
I don't know. All right. Ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Leek.
Oh, leek is a good idea. Which is an onion. So if it's onion, I think I'm right.
What did you say, Jesse?
I said onion.
Okay, it is wasabi.
Oh, that makes sense also. It was this one was the color of wasabi. So the light green is not what I would have expected wasabi to be.
At least we got that it wasn't like a sweet flavor or a fruity flavor.
Yeah.
All right, ready for the last one?
Dark green.
I don't know.
Okay. Well, I think I know this one by the smell.
Really?
Yeah. No, I'm sad.
Ugh.
That's so bad.
It hits you. It's like you eat it and you're like, really nothing there. And then like this aftertaste of this one tastes like seaweed.
Okay,
This one's
I'm
gotta
ready.
be.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Green tea.
Oh, green. This one's green tea. Ugh.
So it's a deeper flavor of matcha.
Which is green tea.
Yeah.
Okay, so I didn't eat either of the matcha ones except for tiny bites. Those two were disgusting.
They were not very good.
What was your favorite?
The pink one I think was my favorite.
Yeah.
Followed by the white one. Those ones were actually good.
What was the flavor of the white one again?
Sake?
The
No.
white one was soybean.
I think I like the soybean one because it was a very nostalgic flavor for me.
Which one? I was talking. I'm sorry.
The one that wasn't a wafer. The beige one. The spectrum of beige.
All right. Well, I think you guessed 1 right and I guessed 0 right, unless you're giving me green tea.
Yeah, I can give you green tea. It's 1-1.
Well, there were 2 matchas and I said green tea for both of them. So I think Anne and I both got 2.
Okay.
Or maybe you only got 1 and I got 2. Who knows?
I don't know. They both
You still
tasted
have
like
to watch
grass.
the video and find out.
Thank you for watching Trybrary. If there's anything else you want us to try, get in touch and let us know.
Before we go, did you know the library has more than just books? If you have questions about teen health and relationships or are looking for health and support, you can visit our Teen Life page on the library website for a variety of resources.
We hope we'll see you at our next virtual program. For more information about the library and teen services, please visit www.bbgov.com/libraries.
Did we do it the right way?